I filmed this Friday, June 27th, and it was 85 degrees and sunny. What a wonderful day. Let's take off here and let's check out the Woodlands Championship Golf Club and see how far they have gotten on the new rec center. You can see that we are at the corner of Craig Court and Corbin Trail. You can see that the construction is ongoing here at the golf club and at the rec center. Oh, they have the slab there, the parking lot. They got the foundations put in for the games. We'll fly over here. You can see that they have the walls up here, probably for another set of verandas. Coming over here to the golf course here, seeing the grass, how green it has gotten with all the rain. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm. We're back at the golf club and we're going to head north, going up Corbin Trail here. You can see they have a new set of verandas they're building across the street here on Craig Court. You can see all the slabs that they have poured down there. You can see all the concrete walls that they have installed. Let's fly up here. These look like these are designer homes, but you can see that the foundations before that looks like they're for patio villas. You can see the foundations, the walls, some are wood built. These all look like they're wood built houses down through here. No concrete walls. We have another set of villas, patio villas here. These look like they are wood built also. And the patio villas up here in the corner, those are all concrete. They all have concrete walls. At the time of this filming, there are only 3 for sale. It's not bad. Right beside the Well Point Postal Center, and we're going to head south, going down the fence row here. Check out all the construction going on. Check out the golf course. Check out how the grass is growing with all the rain we're getting in the evenings. Look at all the empty lots on the left hand side and all the grass growing. We're getting some really good rain down through here, and you can see the ponds are filling up because the ponds up north are not as full. I do believe that they are transferring all the water down south to make this look good. That's just my opinion. It might be right, but it's still my opinion. See all the empty lots down there and how the grass is growing? We are getting some real good rain here in the afternoons. Okay, we're going to fly down here to Craig Court again, and we're going to stop, and we're going to go to the west. Oh, sorry, we're going to go to the east here. We're going to fly back over the rec center here, and the country club, and the golf shop. Okay, we're flying east over the Woodlands Championship Golf Club. We're going to go across Corbin Trail here, and we're going to look to the north and see see the construction going on, what is becoming Oak Hollow. We're flying north. You can see that they have walls up here, probably for another set of verandas. They'll probably get building the verandas soon, because the verandas and villas are usually built first. Again, look at the golf course. Look how nice and green the grass is. Look how full the ponds are, the lakes, whatever you want to call them. Very lovely. As we're going north here, you can see Saint-Tropez, Rec Center. Did anybody see my last video where I toured the Saint-Tropez Rec Center and the Saluki Rec Center? Alright, all we did was move a little bit east or over top of the Saint-Tropez Rec Center, and we're flying due south. A lot of these lots are for sale. The ones on the golf course are not, but all the interior lots here and around the road here are for sale. You can pick up the lots at a pretty good price, anywhere from $5,000 extra to $15,000 extra on top of the house. Down here on the other side of the golf course, down here on the south side of the golf course, you can see that this is the verandas here. These will be started to be built here soon, because like I said, those lots were for sale back there on the golf course. So the ones here, so these veranda lots here will be for sale shortly. As we're flying south, you can see how close you are to Eastport. Up there by the S, that is Eastport. You can see the softball fields. You can see Hotel Eastport. All we did was do a flip. We moved a little bit to the east and flying north up Bexley Trail, checking out the houses, checking out the lots here. If you see a lot you like, call your sales agent, let them know. You always have to have a good sales agent. They are all not the same. Nice little court here. You see the Laurel Lake Executive Golf Course up here. A lot of work is going on the other side of that pond for some reason. We're taking off again, the same place. I had to change batteries, or I just took off twice in the same place that I thought this looked a lot better. You can see that I have labeled the rental golf cart, the country club, and the rec center. I get asked a lot about that, which is which. Like I said, you got the verandas being built on the north side, on the other side of the country club. We're taking off on top of the Oak Hollow Postal Center. We're going to fly south and look down at Oak Hollow here, down towards Central Lake. You can see Lakeview on the south side of Central Lake over there. You can see Moultrie Creek way over there. You can see Shady Brook. You can see Water's Edge. Then you can see Eastport. This here, I am assuming, is the Village of LaGrange. Again, look how much grass is growing in the lots. That just shows you how much water we are getting for the grass to be growing here in the sand. I do believe here in the Village of LaGrange, you're going to have direct access to the Village of Eastport. We're starting on top of the softball fields and flying north. You have Bexley Trail over there on the right hand side of the screen. You can see all the empty lots they have to be built on. There's going to be a lot of houses down through here, and that does not include all the houses on the other side of Bexley Trail. That's going to be a lot of people down through here. Look at the golf course, the grass. Look at the ponds all filled. Not long ago, these were pretty bare. You can almost see bottom on a lot of them. They have done a good job moving all the water down south and filling up these ponds, making them look good to help sell the lots. Do I believe they do that? Yes, I do. It's my opinion, but I do believe they moved the water down south to make them look good to help sell the lots and the houses. Flying west here, you're able to see Monarch Grove over there, Water's Edge, see Saint Tropez there on the right side of the screen, and you can see you can see really far up high, especially Florida as being flat as it is. What I do like about this part of the village is it has access to McNeil Drive. When you get on McNeil Drive, go to the west, go to Marsh Bend, turn right, you have access to 7-Eleven, you have Publix down there, you have Saint Tropez Rec Center. You go to the east, you have Bexley Trail. You just go over Bexley Trail Bridge. Right there, Sawgrass. You have access to Eastport as soon as it opens, and you have also the downtown Middleton as soon as the stores open down there. This village is in a very nice location. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of mine.